Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the number of seconds you skip when you skip forward or skip back in audiobooks on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Books. Now in here, go down and go to the audiobooks section and tap on skip forward or skip back to change the number of seconds. Now by default, it is set to 15 seconds. You could choose 10 seconds, 15, 30, 45 or 60 seconds. So select an option and then tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for my videos.